The YouTube algorithm has one weakness that MrBeast is exploiting right now. I'm about to review the exact strategy that is generating him millions in ad revenue because of these insane $25 RPMs that you can copy to make more money from YouTube, or that you can use to get 4,000 watch hours this month and finally get monetized like me, because MrBeast just started uploading these videos 1 month ago. They are compilations of his old 8 to 10 minute gaming videos. Now before I show you how you can copy this format in every niche and mistakes to absolutely avoid getting your channel first, 3 reasons why they are so powerful. The YouTube algorithm loves watch time more than anything else, based on the research and papers that I've studied so far. Since watch hours likely hold the highest weight in the algorithm, uploading long compilations is a cheat code to explode in views, even with a below average viewed percentage. Now I actually found a little hack to increase your average view duration massively on these type of videos. But first, the second reason, the RPMs on these 1 hour videos are insane. To me, this is the most interesting part. Now I'm confident this is also the reason Jimmy just started to upload them. I mean, $10 RPMs on these type of videos, $20 RPMs on these videos, and even $50 RPMs on these. After being on YouTube since 2012 and making over $5 million in revenue, I've not found a higher leverage format on YouTube than these. And they take so little additional time to create. You already have all your main content. You only have to create a new intro, transitions in between, new call to actions or sponsor breaks, if any, an outro and title. And you can even reuse your best click-through rate thumbnails and slightly tweak it with my free thumbnail templates to create thumbnails like this, and even this in minutes for free. And voila, you have a views and AdSense money-making machine. Which brings me to the 2 best practices on implementing this format and 1 mistake to absolutely avoid. First, I see it as a recurring, almost passive machine, one that you can turn on, for example, every quarter based on your last 3 months of uploads. Now, if you upload 1 8-minute video per week, then you simply create a 1 to 2 hour compilation out of your 12 videos and upload one of those compilations 4 times a year, which is very likely to explode your channel like it did for these guys. Second, the order of these videos is important. The right order can increase your average view percentage from 10% to 25 plus and thus explode your watch hours. So you never have to face this watch hour problem that almost any small channel faces. So then how do you find the right order? Well, if you don't have a lot of time, just put your highest viewed videos first in a compilation. But I have 2 other more advanced methods to increase 30-second viewership and average view duration. Comment the word inside and I will send them to you for free. Which brings me to 1 mistake to absolutely avoid, which is getting hit with YouTube reused content policy. Yes, even if they're your own 8-minute videos stitched together, you can get striked. Or worse, you can actually get your channel deleted entirely. Again, comment the word insights and I will send you how you can avoid getting your channel demonetized. It's free, just like my Google Sheet with over 70 free YouTube tools. Talk soon.